Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super simple and comforting dish, seaweed egg stir-fry. Just look at these soft, fluffy eggs with that briny aroma from the seaweed. It smells amazing and tastes even better. Alright, let's get started. I've got about 15 grams of dried seaweed here, and I'm just soaking it in room temperature water. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to soften up. While that's soaking, let's beat up some eggs. I'm cracking 5 eggs into a bowl. Adding a little chopped green onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Give it a good whisk. If you like stronger flavors, you can add a bit more salt. But if you prefer a lighter taste, this amount is just right. Then add 2 tablespoons of potato starch water. This makes the eggs extra tender, almost silky. Stir that in until everything is nice and smooth. By now, the seaweed should be soft. Drain it and toss it right into the egg mixture. Mix everything together, and that's all the prep done. So quick, and don't forget I've written all the ingredients and amounts in the description box if you need to check later. Heat some oil in the wok and pour the whole mixture in. Let it sit on one side. Then flip it carefully once the bottom is golden. You just want both sides cooked through. After that, cut it into bite-sized pieces, and we are ready to plate. Look at these soft, bouncy eggs that hold together so nicely. Thanks to that starch water, and the seaweed adds such a great flavor. Smells so good. Let me grab a piece. So savory, the eggs are tender, and the seaweed gives it that ocean freshness. Honestly, this is the kind of dish that makes me want to grab another bowl of rice right away. Go give it a try, you will love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.